Welcome to grade 9. Today we will learn about the lesson The Fun They Had, which is written by Isaac Asimov. Before we start the lesson, I would like to give a brief idea about the writer of the lesson. Isaac Asimov was an American writer and professor. He was reputed for writing some books on science fiction. Most of his writings are simple with little description and little functional dialogues. The Fun They Had is a young girl's Margie's diary entry. Here we learn about the kind of education prevalent in 22nd century when the traditional system of education has been replaced with the new one. There are no school buildings and no human teachers. The mechanical teacher television screen acts as a teacher. It can be quickened and slowed down according to the needs of the individual. The system has its own advantages, but it is devoid of all fun. Students cannot go to school together. They cannot study and play together. There is no laughing and shouting. No doubt, Margie, thinking of the old schools, feels sad. Studying before the TV screen is quite lonesome and boring. The author seems to say that no system is perfect. Now I would like to discuss about the lesson. Before we start the lesson, we will discuss about the main characters in the lesson. In this lesson, we can see two main characters. One is Tommy and another one is Margie. Tommy is a boy. His age is 13 years. He is mature and more knowledgeable than Margie. He has superior looks about him. Tommy is really a new-aged boy. He calls the real book a waste. He feels that when one goes through a book, one should throw it away. Despite such feelings, he is curious to preserve and read the old-aged real book. He is friendly and gentle. He promises to share the book with the Margie after her school is over. Now, another character, Margie. Her age is 11 years. She belongs to 22nd century. She is quite simple and innocent. She has little knowledge about the old world. That is why she feels amazed at finding a real printed book. She has heard something about a such book, but she has never seen and read once. She is full of curiosity. She wants to know about it more. She is fascinated when she learns how kids used to go together to a school building where real teachers taught them. Now we will discuss about the summary of the lesson. In her diary entry, she was 11 years, she wrote a page which is headed by May 17, 2157. Today Tommy found a real book. It was quite an old book, having words printed on its pages. Its pages had turned pale and wrinkled. The words did not move. Margie's grandfather had once remarked that they used to have such books. They are surprised to see words in the book. Tommy, who was 11, looked at this real book with disdain and called it a waste. They had, on the other hand, books on their television screen. Their television set had many books on which they could discard after reading. It had space for many more books. They thought the old book to be wastage of resources, as it was to be thrown after one use. Margie hated school because her teacher used to give her sore tests again and again, and her performance was getting worse and worse. Margie was surprised to know about the Tommy's book was about the school. She had come to hate school, that is, mechanical teacher. The television screen on which lessons were imparted and the tests were conducted. This mechanical teacher had been failing her in geography again and again. But telebooks last longer and contains many books in one screen. Margie's mother sent for county inspector to see if there was something wrong with the mechanical teacher. The inspector with red face came with a box of tools. He smiled at Margie. Margie wished he took away the television teacher, but she was disappointed that the inspector set the mechanical teacher right. He told Margie's mother that Margie was not at fault. In fact, the geography sector had been geared a little too quick. He had slowed it down and hoped Margie would take satisfactory progress. It was from Tommy that Margie learned about the old school. She was amazed to learn that schools were situated in far-off buildings where kids would go and the teachers would teach them. Margie said that she was not prepared to be taught by a strange man living in her house. Tommy then explained that centuries ago the school weren't like there. They had a man as a teacher who taught different subjects and assigned homework to the students. Margie couldn't believe the man to be smart enough to have knowledge of different subjects. Margie said that she was not prepared to be taught by a strange man living in her house. She was told that teachers, unlike the mechanical ones, lived in their own houses. Margie's mother, Mrs. John, reminded Margie that it was now her school time. Tommy told her that the school was a special building and students would go there and children of the same age were taught the same things. Here, in this, the teacher will explain each and everything on the blackboard and the students will sit in front of the teacher and there, if they have any doubt, they will have a direct interaction with the teacher. The teacher will ask the questions to the students and if any doubts the students have, they can ask directly to the teacher. So there will be a direct interaction between the teacher and the student. All together they will sit in one room and with one subject the teacher will teach to all at a time. Margie thought about the old schools where the kids had lot of fun studying together and playing. Margie, she liked the old school because she don't want to do the homeworks alone. Because if she have any doubt with the homework, she can't ask any other person. So everything she has to give in the punch code to the computer. So it was very difficult and she don't like this situation. She want to play with the friends. She want to enjoy with any of his friend. Margie's mother, Mrs. John, reminded Margie it was now her school time. She should go to her room to study. Margie asked Tommy if she could read the real book. Some more with him after school. Tommy agreed and walked away. Margie put her homework in a slot. Her mind wandered to old real schools where her grandfather's father would go as kids. She thought of the time when kids from the neighborhood would go together to their school. They learned the same things and helped one another in their homework, and their teachers were not machines but persons. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fraction of a question, but Margie's continued to think of the old schools and kids and all the fun they had. She felt sad and lonely. But she was almost in the thoughts of the old school. So here the main message of the lesson is the fun they had presents a view of the future when the system of education will be completely mechanized. The writer, who is conscious of a deficiencies of the present system of education, wants us to realize that it is not necessary that the present system of education should be discarded. Real school and real teachers have their own importance. Mechanical teacher and the telebooks cannot be good substitute for them. That this is what conveyed by Margie's sense of sadness and loneliness as she thinks of the old times when kids would go to school together, learn together from real human and have a lot of fun together. So with this, I will conclude my summary. Thank you.